All right. So what me I gonna say to you, your program last night with Jesus is
Mr. Charles.
Mr. Charles was very good. But the
Thank you.
part that I don't like is when everybody start come on and ask me not think
Yeah.
that is a
Yeah.
place for that. But I think you guys dealt with it well. But we just never think it is a place. And this is what we need to do. We need to have like past MP or sitting MP or member or whoever to come on to the program each night and to spread the word.
It was amazing.
A charity that run last night, Kimmy. Me never did it. Me never did the other session there.
It looks so. So no, Mr. Charles. It looks so. But you see, the thing is, the Philippine. You see, the thing is, they are going to see a live like that, and people are going to come up. You understand? And it's okay for them to come. It's okay for them to talk and ask. How far will it go? We will have to see, right? Right, guys? But at the end of the day, me still want hello. Nobody foresight. Nobody not got for chief from morning.
No, you're not. We're not forgot offer. No, just on Jamaica, onto the camera, you will see.
But guys, Karen Cross was walking.
Right.
Hi, Granny. Hi, Granny.
Watch Granny, guys. Watch Granny.
Anyways, baby, I made a new video. Please go like, share, comment.
Yeah, man, when I forward over them, I go like.
Granny, so nice to see you, Granny.
I'm glad how you took over the night shift last night.
Me not come live, no man. Me not come live early. I'm only pass for the Labour Right live. Them short the day, bless. Up.
Granny,
my life, our life is nighttime. Me, Philippe, and Anna, God bless, a nighttime live we run.
Yeah, but let me tell you, see, last night on the live, them just a skip past up, and I'm about 10 different live. Me and say, yeah, man, we are one
night. It's like say we bust alcohol last night and we drink and enjoy. We say we never drunk though. We don't drunk. You know, only hear Matt Golden new talk.
Yeah, I'm saying
the stinking talk out of the soon want to be elected prime minister mouth.
Then you know, him say oh meet when name they meeting by ganja smoking.
No, me not talk that. Me talk the new talk when him take one night and him say what?
We say bun
with them stinking self, and a time for we get stinker. A stink, we stink. Yes,
he said that?
Yes, me go look Philippine, me start share the video them with you. Only not see the video with my swampy call people them stink.
Do you have the recording of the news of the nationwide news when they were discussing the prime ministers?
I can find it on YouTube.
Please play it. Play it for us now.
Yeah, Philippine, I'm finger my smell.
May I look for? Give me a second.
Philippine, I'm finger them in my smell. When I say I was thing.
Wanna not see the video and me alone see it? Nobody in the comments, nobody on the live see the video? That he was talking about the stinking something.
I'm finger when my body go out in butter with my smell.
You see it, Mickey, you see it though?
No, I'm gonna see it.
Yeah, man, you talk about it yesterday. There are stinkers and one of a stinker come out. Every other word that stink.
Because him finger them already go in bottom.
Was it a hot mic session?
Yes, one conference in there, one meeting, one members
he didn't know that the mic was on.
He might talk, and the man come stop it. See, it's him, Auntie Rose in the comments that she heard him. The stinking truth. See, Flower said the stinking truth. Me go look for
it. Play it for me.
What's the comment talking about stinking before, and I'm not sure. Something new?
It new. Sorry, it was I think it's either yesterday or whatever, but it's new. It's very new.
Because the last one, me hear my talk about oil meat, when name the Bible.
Me not talk that. That's
something though. Anybody read the handbook?
Me do it for live. I will still read it.
That's good because I want to
give me read it out.
Yeah, I suggested that we should all do that.
A lot of people here don't know the benefits that are available.
So I think we should open our handbooks and read it on our live.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. One at a time. Let me say.
So you want to be a farmer woman?
The discussion all over the place though.
Or guys, 1 minute. Let me just say something real quick. Our we can do short videos. So one person can do something on healthcare. I know Trevi can do this. Do a section on healthcare. Then you do another video on security. You do another video on health. You understand?
Why it's skipping on this?
And you can do something exciting. I know you can do it, Trevi. Any of us can do it. Right? But I know Trevi can do them someday. But yeah, so do short videos of the accomplishments and share it all over. And you can also read it on your live.
No, I'll tell you what.
And discuss it.
And put it up on my page, the accomplishment.
One thing, one of the greatest challenges we have in this country, see, too many people don't understand the importance of politics and are clueless to what is going on. It's like what Guzman come say a while ago. Him don't know a lot of things that are going on. Him don't know about it. The people are clueless to what is going on. People are even asking for changes that are already happening without paying attention to understand that these things are already happening, right? I think the next term I would want to see, right? What I would want to see for the next term is that the party do a lot to educate people, right? On the importance of politics and improve them communication and making new people become aware of what is going on. Because a lot of people rely on second-hand information. And we also try to encourage people to get information from the
videos and that.
Yeah, why Philippines?
I think you're the perfect person for that.
You to have somebody
may I start delegate?
Well, somebody no. can like.
I know you can do it.
I know of Philippines. Maybe not really so good for the video editing and them something.
No,
really
you can just.
Somebody used to have assist me. And the person no
all right, it can be a voiceover. I know you are good at explaining these things. I know you are good at explaining these things for sight. So
yeah, I'm tempted to in the Philippines, but you know the nature of my work. When I come on lives.
No, hold on now. Do some psycho-educational video on the importance of politics and
if I can get somebody to do advice.
That's a good thing.
I don't want my advice out here like that, but if I could get somebody to do a voice over, it would be good.
No, but you have one of them voice the way like a commanding voice where people will listen to.
You know, on TikTok you have the voice changers. On TikTok you have the voice changers, you know. I believe.
Well, you have to show me that Philippines, because that's something where, yeah, I got link here, Philippines, and you tell me about a vice change. Because really and truly, we really need more people just need to be educated as to what is happening.
Yeah. So anybody, if you're the person, I'm not familiar with you, one thing.
No, because what I do, all right, so my real page, through my nature of my work, I have to stop using my real page and just make this page now because too much work people if I'm a page. I just need to just shoot and then just.
You work in the government?
I use.
Hold on it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Everybody type in F1 in the comments. Just a minute. Everybody type in F1.
Yeah, so you work in the government?
No.
Them reporting in live.
Yes, everybody type in F1.
Them reporting in live, man. You can't to the PNP them.
Start the screen.
Anytime.
In the viewers section.
Anytime start talking about the benefits
I'm gonna look for the I can't find the stinking truth statement that he made last night. Last night he make it. And when him attack Philippine and I said the stinking truth, the young man come up behind him because obviously they gave him a script and him drop off of the script. Right? Him drop off of the script and then him start and the young man come up and say, like him come up and him drop the mic and I say, like him shake him and I say, like him I say, not tell me that. But we don't hear that, but you could have see the frustration of when the young man come up and I stop him. You could have seen it on his face. I sit down and watch the video out of order.
I'm a jump off.
At those conferences. Yeah,
I'm a jump off. I'm gonna take care of something.
Remember when me saying a trade?
Hey,
You
you
know
know
it's
what?
a word panda.
You don't get the booklet no reach me. Me can't get it online, but I want the actual booklet still. You know reach
Oh,
me.
me know, me understand. Me want one too. Me want feel it, me want read it, me
Hey,
want
the book
smell
smell
it.
good. You see the book about new. You know when you buy Pitney school book.
The new
You know
book.
when you buy Pitney school book Philippian and you mark up in the Pitney school book and you smell that new school book there.
Yes.
That's how the book smell.
Yes.
The book smell
Anna.
good.
Anna, the book of me and your Anna.
So guys, I am saying, right? I'm saying, so even if you're in the comment section, if you have a hard copy of the book,
Play the news. Yes, we play
hello,
it.
Real G, I'm speaking, sir.
Sorry about that.
So I am saying, guys, even if you're in the viewers section, 84 persons on this slide. If you have the book or have access to the soft copy, the soft copy is online at choosejamaica.com. You can download it. So if you have two devices, you can read from it and you can make videos, or you can turn on your live and read a section. Right? Yeah, we want
read and discuss,
it to share and discuss. Yes.
Yeah, where are you reaching at the reading of the book? You reach at the side about the farming, or you did pass there, so?
Editors yet.
Oh.
Suzette is reading it now. Suzette, you want to come up? Suzette, I'm not following you back. Oh, I'm following you back now, Suzette. Come up, Suzette.
Anytime we start to highlight the benefits, them, you know, disturb the PNP, them, you know.
Auntie Susan, please follow me so I can add you, because I'm not seeing you. Only seeing in the comment.
I sent her invite. Sun hot like fire. Jeez, I can't deal with this. It feel like when we're there at Santa Cruz. No.
I'm Chulani. Hey, I loan ace in my car yesterday, you see?
No, when me there with Shami live at St. Elizabeth, it cool, and at night time it windy. It nice up there.
All right, so Suzette come up in the box then.
Hi, Suzette. Good.
I'll put in a big box, Suzette.
Oh, jeez, you know, I am going out, guys.
Shower every time. Yes, I was in Alphatry the other day when the Prime Minister was standing out. But unfortunately,
Oh, Suzette.
Okay, you hearing me now?
Yo, my view, I go on.
Much better.
All right. First, I'm joining a live. I always in the comments. Yesterday I was on Kimmy.
Thank you for joining us.
Enjoy the program, them. I love it. I'm like what the Prime Minister do. Mr. The other day, I come like me no go pits. Because right after me leave off a tree, and the right at Portmore in the bus sit down, me see a driver come on and I say, me pass and drop the road, they saw give out booklet, him and desperate and thing, and a hated conversation starting at the bus. And I said, really? And one lady coming at the bus and I said, miss, let me just get a look through the book. She said, look here, me not have a sit down, me I stand up and make you flip it through quick, and you put it back in my hand, because I can't give it to you. I said, all right, no problem. This morning, now, my son-in-law carry one, come give me. I say, you get your book yet? I say, right now, I'm there and name up myself. She say, see your copy here, and I make sure bring your own, because I know you.
All right, well, and this Suzette. Auntie Rose says she there at work and she want hear the news, so she not get to hear it yet. So I wonder if we can play it for her, and then we'll go back to the book.
No problem. No problem.
All right, tell me if we're not here, please.
Yeah, we are
Revising from a special report done by the Integrity Commission, a bevy of PNP activists and bloggers on social media have been referring to the Prime Minister as Dr. 28 and Craven A. Others have alleged that the Prime Minister personally controls or is the beneficial owner of 28 accounts. However, information contained in a forensic audit, which the Integrity Commission reportedly paid a Trinidad-based firm $30 million to complete, suggests those claims are misleading. The IC has refused to publish the findings of the audit report, but it has shared the document with attorneys for the litigants in the case brought against it by the Prime Minister. and the IC only released the findings to the connected attorneys following sustained lobbying to the court by those lawyers. The document is protected under privilege. Nationwide News does not have a copy of the document, but we are confident in what has been told to us by our sources. Of the 28 accounts, 4 are owned by the Prime Minister's mother and father. The Prime Minister has told the Integrity Commission his name appeared on those 4 accounts as an emergency contact. One of the 28 accounts is owned by the Prime Minister and his sister. 2 are dormant. One of the accounts is a joint account owned by the Prime Minister and his 2 sons. 2 of the 28 are insurance accounts also connected to Dr. Holness's children, which he reportedly had to declare to the Integrity Commission, given that he is listed as their father. 10 of the 28 accounts are listed by the forensic auditors as closed. That group of 10 includes multiple loan accounts. This leaves 8 accounts which are connected to the Prime Minister. 5 of those are saving accounts, including Jamaican and US dollar accounts. The other is a checking account. 3 investment or stock-related accounts are listed as active. We understand the auditing firm was given 3 points to pursue in their terms of reference. One of those terms asked the firm to indicate whether it has found any information suggesting malfeasance in the Prime Minister's financial affairs. It's understood that nothing in the auditor's 45-page report conclusively supports a finding of malfeasance. Dana Davey for Nationwide News.
There you go, Auntie Rose. So, yeah.
Wicked PNP then.
Wicked.
ICM PNP, wicked.
Wicked.
Yeah.
I want to take note of
You're welcome, Auntie.
the concluding statement. The nothing in the report, right, suggests any wrongdoing on the part of the Prime Minister. That is very, very. That's a statement to take special note of because.
Yep.
Well, it's not a revelation for me. It's more of a confirmation because I don't wait on reports to see what is happening. I don't rely too heavily on propaganda and false reports in the media because a lot of people, right, have to be told how to think, but they don't think about what they are being told. And when I look at the IC operatives, right, I already drew my conclusion. When I look at the omission, or not the omission, the refusal to submit the forensic report, right? It was clear to me they were up to no good, and it was nothing short. This was nothing other than a witch hunt on the Prime Minister, right? And they were using the IC as a weapon against the Prime Minister to force an early election. And that is why when they were going in their conference, they were predicting that the elections would have been called, right? Because the idea was for the election to be called, then they would go into their conference with that momentum, campaign on it, right? And then come out of the conference with that momentum.
Philippe, I must look for my book too. I put it up carefully. I don't want to do it,
What you say?
Everybody type in F1 in the comments.
Get a book for me. I haven't gotten a book.
Everybody type in F1 in the comments, okay?
F1, guys.
F1.
I must look for mine to help Suzette.
I'll be right back.
What Suzette is? I don't know what's happening right now. I'm sleepy.
What I want to find out from Suzette though, is there anything that you learned from the book, Suzette, that you didn't know before?
I never did know. Say, listen to the book is set up in such a way, right? It is easy to understand. It is section. On the first page you have our Jamaican family, and it reads, tell about the family from 2016. The next page is making Jamaica safer and justice and fairer. me got read some of the big highlights where they say we have brought down murders by almost 45%. The gangs have been dismantled.
No, man, no, Susie. You can't do that. You have to read the family statement, girl.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I said it starts out with the family statement. You understand me? I know the family statement. But just give you a highlight of the book, because if you read out the whole light, I'm just saying it is so organized that you don't have no, when you have to dig through book to find out if you want to know about justice, it is there. The next the next phrase it come with pictures and everything. The next one supporting the people who feed Jamaica. Tell about all the agriculture, the fish, whatever is going on in that system. I'm just highlighting it. I'm just highlighting it, right? I'm not reading it out right now. I'm just highlighting it. Better roads, homes, water, and light for everyone. And it tell you all the projects them, list all of the projects them, and the light, which community light go and whatever. Everything is listed beside it. I'm just telling you the headlines, and then you
continue.
You understand? Building the economy and creating jobs. You tell you more Jamaica left out of poverty, with debt go down, cut by half, cash back to workers, the $20,000 we get last year. I'm just highlighting you.
The moment me want on farmer.
Right, people
can
understand.
Yeah, because you say you never know.
Understand it.
You think I only want alone one turn farmer? Me, I watch the farming sector from Andrew develop it, Florida develop it, and me want to go in a farming.
And it's important to know that a $20,000 reverse tax credit is the first time that's ever happened in Jamaica.
Right, and see over this side, he say better health care for every Jamaican.
Yep.
You tell all the community centers that was improve. You tell everything along the line for more surgeon, more doctor, all of them. It is
most important.
Categorized. You can't understand it. Even if you can't read good, even your children know how to go through it. Jumbled it together.
Yeah, because I know use a lot of pictures too, so
yes, a lot of pictures.
Another thing with the book, it doesn't just say this is it. It tells you where to go to find your
information.
After you like say for the farming sector, everybody, the book tells you how to become or how to get involved in that community and where you can go. And last night I read about small businesses. Me feel like one business owner. It's like because everything in a Jamaica.
See this part of fixing
guys.
You feel the way. Because I've been following this up. You see, because I've been following up most of these things, I've been feeling inspired before, and now you guys reading and sharing your experience, it's just coming and making me feel that way even more, and but yeah, I can understand how you guys are feeling, and trust me.
And what you get from the book, you see, let me tell you this. I don't know if nobody Kimmy, I don't know if you experience that. Reading the book, you hear the most honorable. I invite you hear in your head. You read it, but I invite you hear I tell you.
Yes.
And Suzette, let me say something to you though. You know why the Prime Minister go out there and hand out the book himself?
Yeah.
Because other than that, so much attention has been drawn to the book.
Same way. Same way,
everybody talk about the book now. If it was the Jamaicans that do it, they wouldn't have been the topic of this book being distributed wouldn't be such a big topic.
This is what they don't understand as
because we have to tell the Prime Minister to draw more and more attention. So all of the lives them, we should not discuss the books and discuss
but you notice the headings, you know what I like?
The book's supposed to be the hottest topics going into the election. The book. And this
hold on, Foresight, I'm Philippian. I'll be out for an hour, but I'm gonna leave the live. You can take over. I'm gonna collect my brother, my smallest brother. So you control the live, okay, people? Show a labor right, one love. I'll be right
Show a
back.
labor right,
guys.
one
Brother,
Hamilton.
brother, guidance on the road.
Yeah, man. Respect. So come back.
The part where say, see, you see in all of the headings as well, you know what I like? In all of it, before it starts to highlight, hi Jamaica first, before it starts to highlight what they do, it says, here is some of what we, keyword in that is we have delivered, not a I, not a me, not a this, it's a teamwork. This book shows team effort, teamwork, and that's what I love.
That's what I say, Kimmy. When you are reading the book, you hear the Prime Minister voice in your head. You're hearing him, yes.
You see the man they were say, oh, the PM is desperate. I always say this, I'm going to say from since them start talking something. The PM is a servant of the people, right?
Yeah,
so there's no problem if he's handing out books of the achievements.
I like when them tell them something.
You understand?
Them something.
So anybody will come and tell you that, tell them the PM is a servant, right? He's from us. He's not acting like he's above us.
And then
he shall come down and give us.
Him know them are going to run with it, and him know them are going to say, hey, we see Prime Minister just give out book. Draw more attention to the book.
And that is
you
the
know
best
many persons know. Go ahead, one thing, go ahead.
Yeah, that is the best strategy the Prime Minister did, ever could have do. Because if anybody else give out the book, we would not talk about it that much.
No, we not talk about it. Let me tell you something.
I have to stick with
you
him
know many
because
persons
he
know
have the plan.
about the Jamaica Hope for Children. You know many persons know about the Jamaica Hope for Children Trust Fund. Because there are so many benefits in them. So many social benefits in them. That even a lot of labor rights don't know about some of the time. And this book now I got to enlighten them because a program like Jamaica Hope for Children Trust Fund is something I think we should be talking about more. Right? Where any child, right, from a part or soul or one of the state that born after August 6, 2022 is eligible for a lump sum of anywhere between $600,000 and $800,000 on their 18th birthday to break the cycle of generational poverty. Very, very big program. I don't think we talk about it. Right? I don't think we
No, me never know. At the first me I hear about it. Please
expand. You see that? The first me I hear about it. You don't read the book yet?
The Prime Minister of a
which part in the book? Me never skip it. Which part you want me read?
Well, maybe we not reach a part yet.
The Jamaica 60 Hope Trust Fund.
No, which heading?
No, man,
is it in the book?
Probably that would come under the child. Let me look under the child.
Yeah.
That would come under the child.
Maybe them not spell it out like that, but maybe them just mention it. Well, I'm going to tell you one thing. I ask the question, right?
Yeah, look.
The government, one thing, right? I started a savings plans, right? To break generational cycle of poverty, right? For children who is from a part household or what of the state, where they save towards the child, right? They put aside the savings, and you, as parents, right? Parents can also contribute to it. Private sector can contribute to this trust fund, right? It becomes accessible when the child becomes 18. So they can use that money now to start life, whether to do a business, right? Further their education, or, buy a piece of land, right? It's called the Jamaica Hope for Children Trust Fund. You need to read up about it. Happening under this government.
I try to turn on my other phone because I have to find that. Me never hear about it yet.
Me go look for it.
Because when we don't talk about these things, sometimes we get distracted and we talk. But we need to promote these benefits.
To be honest with you, something like this needs to be talked about day in, day out, because this is a good initiative.
I know enough people don't know about it, because it's mentioned on certain live, but we have never really had discussions about it.
Say you track put on a stadium. Why not tell us something?
Hello. one of the things in the book where grabbed my attention in the book, one of the things that grabbed my attention in the book, right, was, you see, when it come under healthcare, I'm going to start read how much nurses were trained, how much pay the nurse and them get and stuff like that. When I started to think about how much things happened to healthcare, when them I said, nothing, nah, go on. Yes, we know things were happening in the health sector, but believe me, man, the book make it look like, say, is a, I don't know if nobody understands. The book just gave that feeling that you know, say you're a part of these changes. And I love how the book ends. I love how the book is put together. I love everything about it. And the writings are not so fine that you cannot read it if your eyes are bad eyes. It's just there, right? Free Wi-Fi in a public area. Remember, I go down a town and my data up and I just connect and start them on the road now. I get free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi I know about because
free Wi-Fi is big.
It's a big deal. That's a big deal.
So free Wi-Fi, and also for online shoppers, for the thousands of online shoppers, we get $100 allowance, duty-free allowance.
1,000.
No man, it's two of them. You have 100 if you stay here, if you don't travel, and you have another one now if you travel and come back. Every time you return from a trip abroad, you get $1,000 duty-free allowance to clear anything.
Yes, me see that one.
Yeah, right. Me see that in the book. $1,000 allowance.
$1,000 one me know.
Say double. That means it used to be 500. Now
it used to be 500 is 1,000. So everybody will travel overseas. If you travel 4 times a year at $4,000, that $1,000 every time you return from a trip abroad. And you can use it to buy $1,000 worth of items, and you pay only $1,500 to clear it.
Why? I don't know, but this is what I would say. We have people that come on the line that are working with the members of parliament. We're gonna be honest. No people not gonna want the book alone, and because this book is something that we have to put up. You understand? For generations.
You know that book there one book where you have
so right now. Me I go promise Holness today now. If the rain stop, me I go promise Holness go get some.
I would recommend every old soul in a Jamaica to have one.
Have one.
And if you don't travel one thing, you have now the one where you get where you don't travel now one thing at $100. If you shop online, Shein, Temu, Amazon, every order that is below 100, you pay no duty.
But you know what I know, say Mr. Forsyth, I see 3 different, because I love cook, and I really love cook. So I see 3 different seasons when I always want to get. And you know them in my cart to check out very soon. And then I reach $100.
Once the order is under 100, no duty at all for clear it.
Yeah,
so you notice you really hear a lot of people talk about inexpensive items now where they have to pay an arm and leg for clear it. Those things are a thing of the past. This government. And that is why we need to rubbish this argument about PNP being for the poor and JLP for the rich. I think that is an argument that is left unchallenged for too long. This government was given so much to the poor. We have done so much for the poor. Right? I think we should be promoting a lot of these small benefits, right? That are so useful to the poor.
Yeah, man, actually we need the argument
because a lot of times when you hear PNP, why have voted PNP? It is that argument about they feel and believe that PNP is for the poor because PNP brainwashed them over the years to think that. Right? But here is for the poor.
That's all I have to say.
Talking for the poor is different from caring for the poor. PNP always use the poor man card to try to get power. I'm gonna do it now. We ain't getting
maybe somebody not read it yet, but I know she highlighted all that happened in the book, but the thing is we can't sweep it under the rug. And I want to read. I just want for persons that are on the live to understand and hear why crime gone down, if that's okay with the live. If everybody wants to hear it, I want persons to, I want to read it, and the reason why I want to read it is because I want persons to understand it's not just because they would have gotten a better pay increase, but I want to read why crime gone the way it gone down, why murder gone down the way it gone down, to the lives so them understand, right? So it says, making Jamaica safer and justice fairer. Fear It says, we have taken serious steps to make Jamaica safer for everyone, from recruiting and training more police and renovating stations, conducting courts, and revising laws that are built to the system to protect our people and provides them with the access to real justice. Now, this is what it says. Here are some of what we have delivered. Not planning to deliver, but delivered. So we have brought down murders by almost 45%, making Jamaica the safest it has ever been in decades.
The only part of that I would change, most people don't understand the percentage side of it. So they, in my head, actual numbers to say that
Put it this way. In a 2020, we have to be careful where would I go. So almost half of where we are go, things that used to happen now happen no more. So if 100 people did get unalive at daytime, 50 now.
50 now.
Right?
Well, so. No, but you know, so the layman understand it this way. How you talk.
So based on when it says reduce, it means if 50 people that was getting unalive last year, right now at 25, reduce, right? Yes. So then it says to protect it says gangs are being dismantled and guns are being taken off the streets. More than half of all known gangs were shut down. More than half of all known gangs were shut down, and more illegal guns found and seized.
And then you understand why is that now? Because the law that Andrew put out, so if them catch you with whatever, it automatically is 15 years. So nobody no one catch with it. So that is it.
Right. Now, it says over 6,000 new police officers have been added since 2018, providing more police to protect our families and businesses. Providing more police to protect our families and businesses.
Read out the number. The new number.
Read it again.
The new numbers.
I'm going to read it. Hold on. It said over 6,000 new officers have been added since 2018, providing more police to protect families and business. The total force is now 14,000, most ever. So between 2018 and now, 14,000 police.
All right. So and you realize that now this is 14,000 different family. But name the money I go on them table, and then the economy is so good where the government can be able to pay
the screen, guys.
14,000 police officers.
6,000 more people.
More than it says more than. So them say the police now get nothing, but this is what it says: more than 1,800 new police vehicles has been added, so police can respond faster across the island.
Right.
What are they saying? Police has been given modern tools and technology to help solve crimes and keep communities safe. Police has been given modern tools and technology to help solve crime and keep communities safe.
And then if you watch
any mention about the renovation of the police stations?
Yeah, man, wait, no, hold on, man.
If you remember the police expo the other day, it show you all of that, all of the new things them what the police get.
All right, here is what Mr. Forsyth asked for. Over 150 police station has been upgraded and new and six over 150 police stations have been upgraded and 6 new ones have been built.
Meaning 6 sitting were never there before come now.
Making the police more accessible and professional and providing their work and provide working conditions. In good working conditions, but they never have.
Yeah.
So them get 150 station fixed and 6 new ones. So how they send a station no bill?
And even important to point out though, right? We have a larger police force and better paid police.
Tap the screen, guys. This is the one that I love as a woman. Domestic violence unit have been set up at 10 police stations so that victims can report abuse in a safe, supportive space. Sissoko has expanded and given more resources to better survive serve victims in every parish. Right. We never have no victims unit. What was a safe place? Yeah, get abused and I want to tell nobody.
That is the battered woman unit?
Yeah, it's no, this is when at the police station itself. Domestic violence units has been set up at 10 police stations so that victims can report abuse in a safe, supportive space. Sissoko has expanded and given more resources to better serve victims in every parish. Tougher laws were introduced to deal with gangs, cybercrimes, trafficking, persons in organized crime. The Jamaica Defense Force has been strengthened with 5,000 additional. The Jamaica Defense Force has been strengthened. 5,000 additional soldiers and new equipment for land, air, and sea operation.
Yes, I came in 5,000 new soldiers.
Yes. 5,000 new soldiers.
Yeah. Wow.
And that's why
5,000 new soldiers and 600 new police.
6,000.
6,000.
All right. Establish MOCA as an independent body. Everybody did ask for that long time. Give it more resources to strengthen the laws to fight organized crime, corruption, and money laundering. Who saw in the news this week that the Europe agrees with Mr. Holness' plan for money laundering? Who saw it? I screenshotted it. I screenshotted it. It came out on the Observer. Yup.
PNP no like that because Mocha now investigate the $1 billion with them thief from the St. Catherine municipality, right? And the KSAMC on it with them thief. So they don't want Mocha to be independent.
Yup.
And to be carrying out these kind of functions.
So it says serious prisons reform started, and this is the part that I love. I love all of the part on crime, but this part to me, it is for the youths, right? And that's why I said that it's for the young ladies and the young men who want to go into crime and violence. Serious prison reform started, new leadership installed, and a new correction police introduced to focus on rehabilitation and second chances. Training in human rights mainstream as a part of the JCF and JDF curriculum. Access to legal aid, expand plus new mobile units to reach rural communities. And I said this the other night when I was reading this part. I love how Andrew focus on the rural areas. And I remember one time everything a town. It told me it just sound like a town that I get everything. A country area them, the people them where live where one part beside God and in 20 cousin them pass them there and go up somewhere. Never did I get nothing. They weren't getting anything. And now they have all of these things. They are getting all of these things. And now the JCF and JDF as a new curriculum, they have to learn to train in human rights before them can go no further. And that is awesome, right? It is awesome to me. It says, now better courts build. And we're going to tell you guys how many courts was built and all of that, which is lovely. Giving more, better courts was built. Which part of there, Suzette? Giving more legal aid to bring assistance to closer to you. Now better courts built. Family courts were added in 4 parishes and several others were prepared and upgraded. System begin to modernize, including new tech to speed up the recordings and deciding in case plus. Individuals can safely provide evidence remotely. You can send your evidence. So you don't have to left your yard. Like me, we love my yard, I'm not going to know. You don't have to left your yard, right? Send your evidence remotely when necessary. 5 new parish justice centers open, making it easier for people to get free help with legal issues close to home. A new division was created for social justice, coordinating services like moderation, counseling, child diversion, and victim support. 124,000 counseling sessions provided to nearly 13,000 children and adults facing trauma and mental health challenges. Our new children diversion program helped over 2,300 youths to avoid court by offering them mentorship and second chances, free mediation, free counseling, free dispute resolution, and free victim support service through the new justice system.
Thank you.
Amazing.
And expand social justice.
These youths now have somewhere to go.
I never know said there was a program like that. Honestly,
I never know that.
Let me tell you, the other
Philippians would have known, but I never know that. These youths now have somewhere to go.
I never know say I'm illegal. Maybe just think say if you go to court and you don't have nobody to represent you, then you get one uncle and that's it. I never know say cover and stretch out and read so far. I never know that.
And this is why I am glad for the book, because to be honest with you, normally when I used to come on the program and I hear the liar PMP, them come with them line story, where me gonna be honest with you, it sound convincing if you don't know the truth.
Right.
You know the book is there, them can't tell you
copy. Right in front of you. When they open their mouth and say something, you have something. You have evidence.
So,
you have it in writing. You say, me can't counteract you. See book, see evidence.
All right. Because some of the time you can't remember everything.
Me have address where you place them there. Go Google it and me tell you, say, yes, I saw one of them there. Go check out for yourself.
So the best thing the Prime Minister could have ever do is address it. Because no PMP can come to me with no lie.
Listen, this book was packaged and well delivered. This book was packaged and well delivered, and I'll say that. And that's why I'm happy that we now have something to talk about on our live. So, like tonight, the undecided, my life, the undecided, when them come to talk about this, we can just draw for the book and say, did you know this?
See and where?
Right?
This is a tool. This is a tool.
I want to play this because me love this so much. So I want to play it. I want to play it. Hold on there.
Not hear it. If you play, not hear it.
Oh. I don't know why it's not here, but I did play the video of the lady who have the lung cancer